Hello friends and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, I'm Clearissa and I'm so grateful that you've decided to join me today as I upload this video for your enjoyment. This video is part of an open collaboration with two of my YouTube sisters, two very creative YouTube sisters I might add. There is Stephanie for Creatively Miss Me, and there's also Shoshani from Everything Shoshani as well. They have asked that we decorate a fireplace mantle, and although I don't have a fireplace mantle, I've decided to join anyway and to decorate a different space in my home. So for me, I will be decorating the top of my buffet for Easter. Spring and Easter, actually. There are bunnies, so I hope that will suffice. I also want to thank Stephanie and Shoshani for hosting this collaboration. It was a lot of fun and I appreciate you immensely. Now also, before you leave, my friends, I hope that you will subscribe, hit that button below, and once you do, I also hope that you'll hit that bell so you'll be notified of all upcoming content from my channel. Now, once you have watched my video, I hope that you will make it over to Stephanie's and also Shoshani's and watch theirs. And I'm sure there will also be a playlist that you can follow and to get some creative spring and Easter inspiration. And if you don't have a fireplace like me, you can always decorate another space in your home for this occasion. So why don't you come on in and let's get started.
Honor me. When I'm feeling weak, you're my energy. And when I'm all alone, you keep me company. To my darkness, you're a shining light. You're the reason I'm not.
Friends, if this is your first time here, I would like to tell you a little bit about my channel. It's a lifestyle channel and it's all about content for living large in cozy spaces. I do a lot of cleaning and regular and seasonal decor as we're doing today. Lots of organization hacks, DIYs, room and area refreshes, and it's based on all things related to making your home cozy and loved. I want you to love opening your front door and walking into your home, and we try to do all of this on a budget. So if you like what you're seeing and you like what you're hearing, why don't you hit that subscribe button below? Once you do, hit the bell so you'll be notified of all upcoming content. Also, if you're still with me, leave me an emoji in the comments below representing spring. Flowers, bunnies, birds, whatever makes you feel springy. I'd appreciate that.
'Cause you are as sweet as can be, and I feel the bitterness leaving me. And you are as sweet as can be. Holy love of mine, with you I get by every day. Where you been and where you hiding? I know you're lying. Don't you try it, no. You really shouldn't play with fire. Put it out with water, but now you're drowning. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. 'Cause I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know better. You should know better.
Friends, I hope that you are enjoying the video and that you are inspired. I also hope that you will see that you don't have to spend any money. Nothing that you see here was purchased for this video. It's all already in my stash. Also, see how neutral it is. I am loving it. The pops of color come from the eggs, actually, and they are even muted, and I love that. I hope you do as well. Let me know in the comments below. Do you like a lot of color or a little color? As for Stephanie and Shoshani, I want to thank you once again for hosting this collaboration. It was fun and I thoroughly enjoyed myself. And also, friends, I would like to leave you the way that I always do, with lots of love, with hugs, and with blessings. I want to remind you to please subscribe below. Also, leave me a comment and a big thumbs up. That really helps my channel, and I so appreciate it. I do so much appreciate it. Also, remember to find something today to bring joy into your life, and once you find your joy, share it with someone else. You'll be glad you did. Because in order to receive a blessing, you have to be a blessing, and there's nothing better. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
There's been a whole lot of crying, whole lot of trying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. I don't wanna be like you. I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. I don't wanna be like you.